To change your name on Snapchat. Hi guys, today I will show you how to change your name on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. As you see, you open it. Then when Snap it's opening, you go here and click. Then click here on settings. Then go to name, and then here, this is my name. You can change it. For example, you have to remove, then add the new name that you want to add, or you will edit this name as you wanna. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.